Installing a power interposer board. PIB1 is shown as an example in this video. Lower the power interposer board into the chassis. Push the power interposer board release latch down until it stops. Reinstall the following component. Refer to the following video in the playlist to complete the installation process. Install the PSUs. Note the orientation of the power supply and then slide the power supply into the PSU slot until it snaps into position. Plug in the AC power cord on the power supply. Repeat the steps to install the rest of the PSUs.